Stop scrolling if you use Excel or Google Sheets, because what you're about to see will change the way you work forever. From translating entire columns in seconds to using AI as your personal spreadsheet assistant, these aren't tips, these are Excel superpowers powered by AI. And you don't even need to be an expert. Stick around, because once you try these tricks, there's no going back. Hey, did you know you can now use AI right inside Excel? Let me show you how. Just go to add-ins and click on more add-ins. Now type ChatGPT in the search bar. You will find ChatGPT here. Just click on add. Once it's added, you'll see it here on the right. It's super easy and works like magic to help with formulas and stuff, even on the free trial. Try this out and make your Excel work way faster. Let's take a look at how ChatGPT works inside this Excel table. So let's say we want to figure out which country and continent each of these cities belong to. For that, we'll use the formula is equal to AI.fill. Now just hit the tab key. What it does is refer to all the values listed above. After the comma, we mention what needs to be completed, which in this case are the rows below that just have city names. Once we close the parentheses and hit enter, just give it a second and there you go. It correctly fills in all the country and continent names on its own. No manual typing, no searching, just one formula, and AI does the rest. Try this in your Excel sheet right now and follow Office Master for more such AI tricks that save hours. Wait, Google Sheets can do this now? Google Sheets just turned into an AI-powered engineering assistant, and you're about to see why. On the screen, I've listed a bunch of engineering formulas in column A. Now here's the fun part. In column B, type this AI custom prompt right next to the first formula. Then pull it down to cover the entire list. This creates a dynamic AI prompt for each row. Now, highlight all the filled prompts, click on that floating AI toolbar and hit Generate and Insert. Just give it a few seconds. Boom! You'll now see accurate real-world use cases for each formula explained in a single line. Try this now and turn your spreadsheet into an AI knowledge base. Google Sheets plus Gemini equals next level productivity. Follow Office Master now for more such Excel using AI hacks. Still translating your data manually like this? You're wasting your time. Let AI do it in seconds. Just type is equal to AI.translate, cell number, and then language you want to translate into. No complex tools, no copy-paste mess. Drag the formula down and boom, the whole column is translated. Work smart, not hard with AI. Follow Office Master now for more such Excel using AI hacks. Don't use Microsoft Excel without Copilot. Let me show you how to use Copilot in Excel. Before you start, you must have a licensed version of Microsoft 365. Your data should be converted into a table. The workbook must be on autosave mode. Now let's use Copilot. Click on the Copilot button in the ribbon. A side panel will open. In the panel, just type what you want. For example, I want to calculate age in this dataset. So I type calculate age and press enter. Copilot will now understand your data, generate the right formula, show you the result. Once done, just click insert column and the age column appears in your table. That's how easy it is to use Excel Copilot. It saves time and effort. Follow Office Master now for more such Excel using AI hacks. If this blew your mind even a little, imagine what's coming next. We're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the movement to work smarter with AI. Comment your favorite hack or the one you never knew you needed. New tricks drop every week only on Office Master. Stay tuned.